What if, dear Scorpio, you didn't need to know anything about the moment that you're in right now? How would that feel for you? And so the question is, what if you didn't need to know anything beyond this present moment? How would that feel for you? That feeling is what you have access to in your life, and it's that feeling that becomes the light at the end of the tunnel. You're looking for things outside of the present moment that don't actually exist. There is nothing beyond the present moment. It's a thought, it's an idea. So just for the Scorpios and just for today, if you remove the need to know anything beyond this moment, you'll access a feeling, and it's a feeling that is beyond your ability to understand it, beyond anyone's ability, not because you don't have the ability, by the way, but it's a feeling that is so big and can actually feel quite overwhelming if you're to really fully feel it. So let's say, for example, if I don't need to know anything beyond this present moment that I'm in, if I really don't need to know anything beyond this moment that I'm in, it takes a couple of times. You've got to keep asking yourself the question, what does it feel like if I don't need to know beyond anything beyond this present moment that I'm in? Because it's unfathomable to your logical mind, certainly to your ego. And you're not asking the question of your ego either, but it's unfathomable that you can actually just be in this present moment and be here and not look for things that you've got to quickly fix, change, improve, move, do this, do that, so that your world can become whatever it is that you think it needs to become. That's a lot of mental noise. And one of the first things I feel happens is you disconnect from the mental noise. And that heaviness that is on your shoulders about all the things you think you need to know dissipates. So I urge you to use this question today as a practice, and maybe use this question a few times over throughout the week as well. I feel like it has the question itself has the power to bring you into a space that is beyond words.